Welcome back to the Lexi's Leukemia channel. Today, we're leaving for vacation. It's time to start loading up the van.
It is time to start loading up the van and get all of this luggage inside. So we are going to get on the road to Chicago. We are just about to hit Kankakee, Illinois, which is about an hour and a half from Chicago. So we have been on the road now for about 3 hours. Lexi's back there all excited. The first thing you want to do when we get to the hotel is what?
Swim.
Swim. She is so excited to go swimming. They have an outdoor pool at the hotel, which is nice. So we are hopefully going to get there soon, go swimming, and then eat some dinner and get ready to hit the museums tomorrow. So we will update you later, hopefully with some footage of the Chicago skyline. Well, we made it to the hotel. Not too bad. Couple of beds. We've got a little mini fridge down here and a microwave. We've got the bathroom through there, and out here's the sink and all the coffee. Perfect for what we need it for, and it didn't break the bank, so that was the main thing. We just needed to stay downtown, close to Soldier Field, which is where we're doing all of the museums and things. So Lexi wanted to help Daddy go get all the luggage, so they are getting ready to come inside with all of our luggage. We made it! We made it! You got your very own suitcase up here, didn't you, Lex? So Lexi is getting ready to unpack her suitcase. She's going to leave everything in the bag, but she's going to put it in the top drawers are going to be hers. The bottom drawer is for Brian, and the middle drawer is for me. So basically, she's just going to pull all her bags out. That was all your undies and pajamas. So those are your outfits by day. No, just keep, these are your outfits you need. You've already got your outfit plus, remember we put your bow in there and your hair tie and your socks and everything. So you just need to pull all the bags out and put your outfits in the drawer, in the bags. That way they don't get all wrinkly. Yes. You can close that one for now if you want. We are all unpacked and had a chance to relax for a little bit and now it is dinner time, so we are going to go out and go to a restaurant that is within walking distance of our hotel. So we are excited to go try some cool restaurants over here in the Hyde Park area. Well, the restaurant we tried to walk to was a bust because it's actually only for residents of this really nice Regency apartment complex or something it is, I don't know, or maybe it's a hotel. So you have to be there in order to have access to that restaurant. And now, if you can hear the sirens going off in the background, we are actually under a tornado warning until 7:15. I'm not sure which part of the county is under the warning. It's the whole thing. I didn't really know they got much tornadoes up here because we're from Southern Illinois where it's Tornado Alley. So we're like, yeah, let's get back to the van at least. But it doesn't seem to be phasing people hearing the tornado sirens. Us Midwesterners down south, we go get in our basements, but these people are just life as usual. So maybe it's not that bad, but the sirens have been continuously going off. Well, we made it back to the van at the hotel. The siren is still going off. I don't know if it's planning on going off all the way until the warning ends at 7:15 or what. It's kind of weird. I guess maybe because we're right across from the lake. I don't know. So now we're looking up other restaurants to go to. We finally settled on a restaurant. We're going to go to an Italian restaurant called Pizza Capri. It seems like they have stuff we'll all eat, so hopefully it's good. The Italian place was a bust, so we are coming to a different restaurant instead. We're discovering it's hard to find parking. Well, the restaurant was absolutely delicious. Potbellies. It was really good. If you're from the Midwest and you know what Panera is, or St. Louis Bread Company, it reminds me of that, only elevated and delicious. But more like a hole-in-the-wall type place. And we had to make a run for it because they extended the tornado warning to 7:45, and now it's thundering and lightning and pouring down rain. I'll see if I can show you. As you can see, it's pouring down rain, and poor Brian can hardly see to drive back to our hotel. So we are going to attempt
turn left onto South Lake Park Avenue
to navigate home to our hotel and get inside without getting completely soaked. There are branches down all over the street. We just passed a big branch. I wasn't able to get the camera out, but
looks like it's all done now. Look at this.
there was branches all over everywhere. It must have gotten very windy. There's one while we were inside the sandwich shop, and it's just, oh, there's a big branch down over there. Holy mackerel.
Turn right.
Oh dear, there's
At
a
the stop
big
sign,
branch
turn
over
right onto
here,
South
like where we
Lakeshore
need to
Drive.
go.
Then the destination is on your right.
Oh my goodness.
How will we get
I don't think we can get through. We need to get to our hotel.
Holy smokes.
Well, we had to hop the curb and drive around, and now there's one right here, like where we were planning on parking.
Oh, we're right here now. Jeez.
Goodness. Well, we made it back to the hotel, and this little one is dressed and ready for bed. We are going to sign off for tonight and catch back up with you tomorrow morning. My hope is to do the vacation vlog in 2 parts, so the first 2 days in Chicago and then the second 2 days in Chicago. So tomorrow we have the Field Museum, correct Brian, and the Museum of Science and Technology, which is kind of like trains and planes and automobiles type of thing. And then on Wednesday we have the Sheds Aquarium and the Adler Planetarium, and then Thursday is when we go to the Cubs game at Wrigley. So we will catch up with you tomorrow morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is another morning here in beautiful Chicago. We are getting ready to head downstairs from some breakfast, and then we're gonna go out and hit the museums. There's Lexi's outfit of the day. Cute little pink biker shorts and a little flowery top. And show them your shoes, yep. Her Nikes, and turn around, show them your bow. Had to have the cute bow in her hair today. And then I'm just wearing a brown tank top and pants and my Hey Do shoes. So those are our fits for today. So time to go get some breakfast. We're on your window and show it with my camera. We're gonna try to show you the tree that fell down. Holy mackerel. I guess last night's storms were just really bad, and now that we're awake, we're even seeing more tree limbs down everywhere, damage, standing water. It is just crazy. Oh, there's some limbs down. The amount of damage done today is crazy. Well, we finished up breakfast and now we are headed to our first museum of the day, the Field Museum, the one Lexi's most excited for because we get to see all the dinosaur exhibits, which is why she wanted to go. So let's get on the road. Trying to get a video of the lake. Don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the lake way out there.
Turn right onto East Wrigley Drive.
And there is the Chicago skyline this morning. We are finding all kinds of large, giant trees are down. So maybe the tornado actually did touch down. It's kind of crazy, like big trees. They've got dump trucks everywhere, cleaning up all of the debris and everything. So, yikes. But there is the skyline this morning. Look how pretty that looks, Lexi. Of the skyline. Here's a better shot of the skyline. Look at that. Hello, Chicago. Here is Soldier Field, home of the Chicago Bears, where the Chicago Bears play football. Very huge.
Yep, we're gonna go park.
That is the Field Museum right there. So basically you park across the street at Soldier Field and get to go to the museum. So we are gonna go park and get inside there. This is at Soldier Field, the water feature I always see people take a picture of. That is so cool. I want to get a picture of Lexi in front of it. How cool. This is so cool. All right, let me get your picture. Here we are, the Field Museum. This place is huge. Here is the giant elephants.
Up there's the more dinosaurs.
Oh my gosh, look how big these elephants are and those big tusks, Lexi.
Here.
That is so cool.
Alright, want to stand next to him? I'll take a picture of you.
Look how big this
Right, turn
is.
around.
That is a giant dinosaur skeleton. Oh my
Turn
Lanta.
around, Lex. Look at the size difference.
There's some, I'm guessing, pterodactyls up there, hanging from the ceiling. Oh wow. These are like replicas of puffin penguins and stuff.
Baby seagulls.
Oh, baby seagulls. Yeah, replicas of what it would look like back then.
Cute.
They are cute. Oh, that's a starfish, Lexi.
Oh yeah, starfish.
Looks like it got a little dirty from an oil spill. It's showing you the stages of an oil spill.
Oh,
Look at that hawk. Is that a... This is a giant area of bears. Wow, and Brian's doing good. He's getting some pictures for me. We found a thing where you can make your own penny. Keep going, Lex. Crank it. Grab it out.
Grab your penny. Grab it. No, it's right here.
Oh,
Oh, let's see. Show everyone. What does it look like?
looks like that.
Oh, that's
Here, I'll put it
pretty.
in my pocket.
All right, we are on our way to our 3D movie. Dinosaurs in the Antarctic or something it's called. So we're excited to see this. Lexi really wanted to see all the dinosaur stuff. Well, we're sitting down in the theater waiting to watch our 3D movie. What do you think so far, Lexi? Do you like the Field Museum?
Yeah,
Have you been having a lot of fun?
Yeah.
All right, so we did some fun stuff. So now we are gonna watch our 3D movie, Dinosaurs of Antarctica. We found a Moldorama. So it makes plastic miniatures if you stick in $5.
Oh, there we go. Watch it.
Let's see what it does. Oh, it's right there.
Right there. There's black box.
I think it's molding it. It puts the plastic in there and heats it up. Oh wow, it's noisy, huh? There it is.
Right now. There you go.
Daddy's gonna grab it out carefully.
Careful, don't
Is
burn
it hot?
yourself.
No, it's
Oh. Let's see. Let's see.
Nucleosaurus.
That is so cool. Well, we made it to the main event. Lexi really wanted to see the dinosaurs, and here they are. Oh my goodness, Lexi, look at this huge dinosaur. A Pachycephalosaurus.
You want to stand in front with the picture? That's not.
This is on the top floor of the Field Museum. So we went through a thing about plants and gems and stones and stuff. And now we are reading all about dinosaurs.
That's what their head looks like. You have a dinosaur.
That'd be a cool picture too.
No, get next to the. Here.
Oh my Lanta. What
Pull
happened?
and push the voice. So pull it up. Push it down.
Oh, is that the noise it
Yeah,
makes?
that's the noise it makes. Let me show you. You hear it? There you go. Want a picture of that? There you go.
That thing is huge. These are all replicas, of course. Is this a big brontosaurus or what is this?
Lexi, over here.
What is this? A brontosaurus? Oh, it's an apatosaurus. This is the view out the window of the top floor of the museum. Overlooking the lake right there. Wow. And the Chicago skyline, like right there. You cannot beat that. That is awesome. We found an apatosaurus footprint.
There you go. Look at me. I'll take a picture. Do you want to sit down or you want to stand up? There you go. All right.
We made it to the main dinosaur attraction. To the T-Rex. This thing is huge. There's a T-Rex over there on that wall too. Wow, that's the skeleton.
She was 30 years old at the time of death. What did she eat?
We made it to the Dinosaur gift shop. There are all kinds of neat stuff here. We're still gonna go downstairs later and make a stuffed dinosaur. But are you having fun, Lexi?
Sure, what you got?
All right, so what'd you get? We got this
From our first.
T-Rex dinosaur discovery dig, and then we got a little magnet for a souvenir for Lexi's papa. Can you move this stone, Lexi? Pull, pull. Nope, you sure can't. That was the block they used to make a pyramid. It's huge.
No. Like made things like hearts, body organs, and that's how they weighed objects too.
This is how they weighed things back in the time using this little scale.
Okay, too heavy.
You made it even, smart girl.
By on.
And you managed to use all of them. Very good. We made it downstairs to the Explorer Cafe for lunch. Lexi, what are you having?
Applesauce, fries, chicken.
Yep. And she's having applesauce fries and chicken tenders. And we got burgers and fries for ourselves. So, probably an expensive lunch, but we knew we were going to be paying a lot for lunch here at the museums. So, we planned ahead. We are done with lunch, so now we're gonna go exploring the downstairs a little bit. There's another dinosaur place down here, and then we're gonna make our own stuffed dinosaur, which Lexi really wants to do. We're in the underwater Jurassic World. A leatherback turtle.
Did you know leatherback turtle shells are soft and leather?
Come back over.
What? Oh, wow, yeah. Oh my goodness. I see, Lexi. Come on this way. So we got our picture taken at the Field Museum when we first came here. Do you want to open it up and show everybody, Lexi? Carefully. Wow. You want to show them the other ones? Awesome. Looks good. All right, so now we're gonna go to the museum store on our way out, and we are gonna make your stuffed dinosaur. Are you excited? Let's go. Oh wow, this is huge. They got all kinds of stuff here. We found the place to make a dinosaur. Lexi is very excited. You excited?
So let's go up front, because we're going to put his little heart. Do you want to put his heartbeat in there? Now you're going to push it real deep, okay? Push it, push it.
You're trying.
Let me help you.
You want some help?
There you go. She got it. She got it. Okay, now we're going to just cut the little cord and we're going to put his t-shirt on. But now, if you hug him, can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come on.
There's Lexi's dinosaur. All right, now we're headed to the other museum of, what is it? Science and Technology. All right, get all buckled in your car seat. Still lots of brush all over the street there. We saw some trees over by the lake that are having to be cut down with chainsaws, and it looks like there's a guy walking around with an iPad, like marking all the areas of brush so the Parks and Rec department can, like, public works, whoever can come and get all of the branches, because a lot of them are out in the road, missing people's cars. Oh my gosh, that fell in between their car. That's like a small little tree right there. That's crazy. But this is the Hyde Park area of Chicago. The Science and Technology Museum or Science and Industry Museum is near to Hyde Park by our hotel, so we're excited. We made it to the museum. Now we just gotta find the parking. But this looks like one of the entrances, and I think there's another entrance somewhere else. vortex. That's what a tornado looks like. We live in Tornado Alley, you know, down south. The southern part of the state is Tornado Alley. That is so cool. Cool.
So this shows you how water is. Water molecules just fall on top of each other instead of combined. There you go, see it? I'm going to get your hand. Oh, it's gone.
Look at all these planes. So cool. We are going up the escalator to the next exhibit. What's up here? And then we have shows to this brick thing, this Lego experience at 2:30. Look at all the stuff they can make out of Lego.
These are famous paintings from Legos. Like this is called.
Look at this. This is that famous painting with the pitchfork. American Gothic. So cool.
You want to take a picture next to this, Lexi? Stand next to it.
Yeah, that's awesome. They made a dinosaur skeleton out of Legos, and this is so cool. Awesome. So we made it to this Lego experience and we've been walking through, and now it's this 10-minute experience where we can build something and challenge each other to guess what we built based on our emotions or a piece of artwork. Are you ready, Lexi?
Yes.
Alright, so we each built something, so Lexi's gonna go first. Hold it up, but don't tell us what it is. You have to guess your emotion. I think Lexi built a rainbow. So I
Joy?
think that Lexi's
it
emotion
joy?
was joy.
All right.
Awesome. Alright. Here's Mom's. This is mine.
That looks like a cardinal. Is it a bird?
No.
It looks like a bird. Black and red. What do you think, Lexi?
I picked out specific colors for a reason.
A duck? A red
No.
bird? I mean, it looks like a bird. Is it a bird?
I picked out the colors of red, black,
and orange.
and orange. Red and orange are fiery colors, and black is a dark color. So what would you guess my emotion was?
Phoenix? Anger?
Anger, yes. I picked fiery and
Well, what
dark.
is it, though?
Does it have to be anything?
Yeah, you're supposed to pick what it is. Yeah? And then we
I made
guess.
anger.
Oh.
You guessed it. Anger. You said anger. All right, Daddy's turn.
This is mine.
Is that something from Mario?
No. What's it look like?
Maybe Lexi
What
knows.
if I went like this?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
So you picked disgust because you don't like broccoli. That's good, Daddy. Maybe you can get in from the other side, it looks like.
Well, I'm going to take a picture outside.
You want to go on the other side of it?
That's nice. We can get in.
And then we'll go look at the combine.
Only two people left. Why don't you and then we're going to take
Go.
I'll take a picture of you.
Getting up in this big old combine. Or tractor. You can sit down if you want and drive it. Woo. Lexi has decided she wants that poppet bracelet. I shouldn't say anything. That one bracelet is $12.
All right, let's go.
Unless you... We just finished up at the Museum of Science and Industry.
Yeah.
What'd you get, Lexi, as your souvenir?
It's my papa bracelet.
She is obsessed with poppets. Her legs are getting a little tired, so we're sitting out here in the shade while Brian goes and pulls the van around. We were gonna bring the stroller, but we ended up leaving it in the van because she thought she'd be all right, but I think tomorrow we are gonna take the stroller because definitely, at least for the second activity, the first half of the day she was fine. It was the second half that she was tired, her legs were tired. So now we're gonna go eat some dinner. You having fun? We made it to the suburbs for dinner, and Lexi, where are we going?
We're going to the lobster.
Why? What do you want to eat?
Popcorn shrimp.
That is her favorite, popcorn shrimp. So we will see you inside. Well, it is the end of our first official day in Chicago. We did all the things. We ate at Red Lobster for dinner, got Lexi some popcorn shrimp, and now we are going to head back to the hotel so we can get this girl into bed. She is exhausted. It was a lot of walking today, so we knew this. She was gonna be tired. Look at her, she's like falling asleep. So she needs to get back to the hotel and get ready for bed. So we are gonna sign it off, and that's gonna be the end of part 1 of our travel video to Chicago. And then the video that comes out the week following this one will be part 2, where we visit Shed's Aquarium, we visit the Adler Planetarium, and then the following day we go to a Cubs game at Wrigley Field and then drive home. So Lexi, what do you want to tell everyone? Oh, you gotta talk louder than that. I know you're tired, but you gotta talk a little louder so they can hear you.
Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified